Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ms. English Talk, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophia.
Hello, Sophia, and hello, everyone listening today. It is wonderful to be back with another English conversation.
It's always great to have you here, James. How are you doing today?
I am doing fantastic. I feel relaxed, refreshed, and very happy.
Relaxed and refreshed? That sounds interesting. Did something special happen recently?
Actually, yes. I just came back from a wonderful vacation.
A vacation? That sounds exciting already. Where did you go?
I went to a beautiful seaside town with my family.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I think everyone enjoys a good beach vacation.
I definitely do. The beach is one of my favorite places in the world.
I can understand that. The sound of the waves is so relaxing.
Exactly. Every morning I could hear the ocean from my hotel room.
Wow, that must have been amazing. Before we continue, let's quickly talk to our listeners.
That's right. If you are enjoying today's conversation, please take a second to like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ms. English Talk for more English lessons and conversations.
Also, share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much for your support. It really helps our channel grow.
Okay, Sophia, I'm ready to talk about my vacation.
Great. So tell us, how long was your trip?
I stayed there for 1 week.
1 week sounds perfect. Not too short and not too long.
Exactly. It gave me enough time to relax and enjoy everything.
What did you usually do in the mornings?
I woke up around 8 o'clock and had breakfast near the beach.
That already sounds better than my normal workday mornings.
It was much better. No alarm clock and no stress.
That is the best part of a vacation.
I agree. After breakfast, I usually went for a long walk on the beach.
Were there many people there?
Not in the morning. It was very peaceful and quiet.
I love quiet beaches. They are so relaxing.
Me too. I enjoyed listening to the waves and watching the sunrise.
That sounds beautiful. Did you go swimming as well?
Of course, I went swimming almost every day.
How was the water?
The water was clear, clean, and a little cool.
A little cool sounds perfect on a hot day.
Exactly. After a few minutes, it felt wonderful.
You are making me want a vacation now.
I'm sorry about that, but it really was a great trip.
Besides swimming, what else did you do?
I spent a lot of time reading books.
Reading by the beach is one of my favorite activities.
Mine too. I sat under an umbrella and read for hours.
That sounds incredibly peaceful.
It really was. Sometimes I even fell asleep while reading.
A beach nap is always a good...
Absolutely. Vacations are perfect for resting.
Who did you travel with?
I went with my wife and our 2 children.
Family vacations create wonderful memories.
They certainly do. The children had an amazing time.
What was their favorite activity?
Building sandcastles.
I knew you were going to say that.
They spent hours building huge sandcastles.
Did they find any seashells?
Yes, they collected lots of beautiful shells.
That's a perfect souvenir from a beach trip.
Exactly. We brought many of them home.
What did you do in the evenings?
Every evening, we watched the sunset together.
Watching a sunset by the ocean is magical.
I couldn't agree more. The colors were incredible.
And what about the food?
Oh, the food was amazing.
Tell us more.
We ate fresh seafood almost every night.
That sounds delicious.
It really was. The local restaurants were excellent.
Did you cook anything yourself?
Not at all. No cooking on vacation.
That sounds like a great rule.
I think so too.
Now let's teach our listeners some useful vacation questions.
Great idea.
A common question is, where did you go?
You can answer, I went to the beach, or I went to the mountains.
Another useful question is, how was your vacation?
You can answer, it was wonderful. It was relaxing. Or it was fantastic.
And if someone asks, what did you do?
You can say, I went swimming, I explored the city, or I relaxed.
These are simple sentences that you can use in everyday conversations.
Exactly. They are easy and very practical.
Yes. Next time I would like to visit the mountains.
Yes. Next time I would like to visit the mountains. What about you, Sophia? What is your dream vacation? I would love to visit a tropical island someday. That sounds amazing. Crystal clear water, white sand, and sunny weather. That sounds like the perfect vacation. I think so too. Well, Sophia, our time is almost up for today. You're right. Time flies when we talk about vacations. We hope you learned some useful English expressions today. Thank you so much for listening to MS English Talk. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And leave a comment below. Tell us about your favorite vacation destination. Or tell us about your dream vacation. We love reading your comments and practicing English with you. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone, and have a wonderful week. Bye, everyone. See you next time.